Hello and welcome. So I'm at the Bürstner stand at Caravan Salon Dusseldorf. Note, Bürstner's got a new logo. It's got an entirely new range of vehicles which are, I would say, even unidentifiable from their previous range. Complete and utter overhaul. It's got a logo, looks like an iron, the sort of thing you used to press your clothes with, and it's got a papillon. It's got this signature over there, complete new. Here I'm going to show you this rather cute retro looking color. It's got a color painted in 1964. It's called the Habiton. It's HMX 6.0. and I'm going to show it to you. You can see there are other people around here making videos, so you can see there, Chip, there you'll get from them the corporate stuff that Bürstner wants to tell you. If you watch me, then you get the stuff that Bürstner doesn't want you to know. So let's go inside and I'll tell you all about this. 120k for this, 120,000 euros. So it's got a payload there, and so look at that. Oh no, sorry, my site's going. It's 500 kilos of payload, approximately. So it's 4x4 kit. To be quite honest, if that is 500, I find that a little bit suspicious, but I might be wrong. I'm often wrong. So what's it got? It's got a lot of space up here. It's got this chair here, which bench, movable bench. As you can see, we've got some rails down there. There'll be a table somewhere. Well, it's there, isn't it? It's let's have a look at the table itself. I'm going to bring this down like that to show you the table. Does it have a leg? No, it doesn't. Is there any warning to tell you not to put weight on the table? No, there isn't. Shall I put some weight on the table? No, because I don't want to replace it. So let's just put the table up again like that. We've got a space here to keep some books. We've got some storage up here, and it also comes with a tent in the roof. There's the tent in the roof. Oh, isn't that nice? Nice indirect lighting, quite like that. I didn't show you the fridge. The fridge is down here, which is in a convenient location for getting in and out of. Here we will find 2 burners and a sink. We've got some storage down there. And on my right, it says here, our new wet room function, bath function. And we'll show you how it works in, happily show you how it works. Right, so what's the problem here? Well, you've got this big shower unit here. It's very similar to the one in the Niesman Bishop Smove. I'd put the light on if I knew where the light was. This is a toilet under here, and the toilet will slide out. Over here, we've got a sink like that, and we've got storage up here. Now, the problem with the toilet sliding out is this, that I do not know if this one will break or not, right? But I've seen plenty of slide out toilets in the Pilot group, which is a completely different company, which are broken. And so I'm trying to turn the lights on here. Doesn't work. Never mind. I'm sure they'll work sometimes. Okay. At the back, we've got a very clever bed layout. Now, bear in mind, this Mercedes Sprinter is 593 centimeters in length, and so that does lead to problems with putting things together. Now, why is there so little space on here as on here? I thought that this thing here would actually move. It does actually move. You can move the bathroom and these chairs. That's why those sliding things are down there. I'm not going to show it to you because I've never had a demonstration. I dare say I could work it out, but with one hand I don't want to try. That is clever because it allows you all this space here for the extra bed. How long it's going to work for, I don't know. I just don't know. We'll have to get a proper demonstration because I don't really want to actually do it because I'm too frightened of breaking something if I don't know. Anyway, so it's a very revolutionary system, but you know, this is an off-road vehicle. You don't want delicate stuff in off-road vehicles. And I'm making an assumption, maybe it isn't delicate, I don't know. Though I've got enough experience with moving toilets and moving all sorts of stuff to suggest that it's not a suitable environment for them. It's a bit like all this electronics in the engine and all the rest of it. They're just, anyway. Okay, good. That's the sort of stuff that the company doesn't want you to or doesn't want to be broadcast. So, hey, maybe I've got the thing wrong. I'm going to take you around and I'm going to show you one or two other bits, because in here, this one here, we might actually see a bit more of what it's trying to achieve. Well, that's the see-through bit here, but you can see that you've got a guide there for the toilet at the top of the bathroom, the wet room, and the whole thing will actually move forward. I don't think that's a good idea at all. It might help them sell. Anyway, right. I can't show you this one because there's somebody in making a video, but it's the HM 6.0. And what did I show you? The HMX 6.0. I went to the press conference and they sort of showed these things with what do you call them? The models of them moving around. Okay, so there's the Bürstner Habiton. Sorry, I haven't shown you how but I'll try and get somebody to actually demonstrate that sometime. Not that I have any great hopes for it. I upload every day at 21:15. So, and I also started uploading short videos at 1800 hours. For those that complain about vacuum cleaners in the background, well, okay, there's a vacuum cleaner in the background, but you know, I can't get in here when it's full of people, and it's full of quite a lot of people now, and there's music playing. So this is the only realistic time to film things such as this. For the moment, though, I'd like to thank you very much for watching, and wish you all the best from Dusseldorf, from the Bürstner stand, who's now produced this new look Bürstner Sprinter Habiton camper van. Bye for now.